battery change on a MacBook. Easy stuff. Let's see. This is the details of the MacBook, I think. Yeah. So we got this from Takealot. It's a battery pack that we need to fit here, because this one's battery is gone. Battery completely died. No more Wi-Fi activation, no more Bluetooth, all of that. So nothing works on this when the battery dies completely. So yeah, I think it's past the cycles. I checked on the cycles, all of that, it was gone. So I think all I'll need is this. So yeah, let's get it. Let's see. I'll have to unbolt this rear screws, these ones. Here are some tools. I think they've set them up so that you know which one is the first to use. So let's see with this one. Let's check this one and see if it fits. Oh yes, it fits. So yeah, I'll do that. This is your one, and then you need to put those safely. And this is my first time doing this, so it means anyone can do this. Anyone can do this. You can do this at home. So there's like, what, 8 or 10 of this. So let me do that. I won't show you the whole thing. But yeah, unscrew those first so that you can remove this cover. So yeah, we are on the last bolt. See if it opens up. Not sure where to pry it. I just have to find somewhere. Oh, there we go. You pry it from the top. You pry it there, and then it comes off. What a mess. What a mesh. What a mesh. I'll just blow that out. But I think this is the battery. This is the battery pack. So we'll need to remove that. That's what protects that. Yeah, so let's figure it out. I think we're gonna have to unscrew a few things. Those are holders for the battery. I think we need to also remove those. That there, so that we can access the battery. So yeah, let's do that and see. I think now we need to remove this here. It goes with that. So to remove this, I think we'll also need to remove what? We need to remove that, because this one comes with a new one. Not sure what that is, but yeah, bloody hell. Now we use the purple one. And then we have to remove that one. let's remove this. To remove this, you just pry that there like that on that side, so that it opens up and then it's out like that. Just put it aside there. Then we keep going. We keep going. So now we remove this bracket there, there, and there. This one, see that it's already, a bit of that has been removed. Put them on different places. So we're gonna do the same on that side. Easy, easy. Make sure to note the screws. See, this one comes there, the smaller one. This one, which is a bit longer, goes there. This one, corner. Yeah, get in. Now, for this part, we remove those. Look at that, tiny bolts. You naughty boy. Don't lose those. You naughty boy. Easy. Same size. Those hold down the frame, so we're gonna do the same on this side. Easy like Sunday morning. La 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 la. Easy like Sunday morning. La 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 la. Let's get it. So the battery comes off. Nice and easy, nice and easy. It has a bit of adhesive, I think, underneath, so yeah, but that shouldn't cause as much of a problem. There's the battery out. There we go. The old one. Page right there. And there's our new one. Let's just try and remove some of that. Scrape that off. Scrape that off. I'm gonna use some parts cleaner. Scrape that off. Oh, my multi-purpose spray. Scrape that off, and then yeah, we should be done. Then we'll install the new battery. Let's get it. So yeah, this is what I'm using. Specifically made for DIY. Now we can stick in the new battery in a crowded place. don't know what to do, 'cause I'll never be with you. Just gonna remove this. Yeah, should be good to go. So now we just return everything back. Batteries in. Now we have to install that. As you can see, the balls are back now, so same on the other side. So now we sort out the speakers. Those are speakers here. Yeah, so those are our balls that we still have from both sides. This one's the other side, this one's the other side. Let's get it all closed. There. Now we do the other side. Small one here. Sorted. Now for this. In. Then we clip it there, like that. So yeah, that's it. Done. And then we can get the sticker there. Only on risk of burn, we do not remove, disassemble, puncture, all of that. There we go. Don't say I didn't tell you. So there. Done. But before I do this, let me just blow off the dust there. Now that it's lined up, back the smaller 10 volts. That's it. Then we're gonna try and switch it on and see what happens. So there, we went into the power to check the battery. Battery wasn't charged, so it's still charging, but I think we are done. There you can see it's new because the cycle count is still on 2. I think the first one was when they were testing it, and then now. So yeah, battery condition is normal. So yeah, problem solved. Let's charge it, then we're good to go. As you can see, that it says it will be full in 1 hour 41 minutes.